All right, let's just get right back to brass tacks here. This is Brian Lewis with MMT Investing, and things just changed. So I'm out on the big view, and you can see that we got this candlestick touch to the line today, and you can see that the MACD on this view is just raging down, 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 down. And let me switch over to the view where we can see stuff. So please smash that like button and say hi to my rhinoceros to help me out with the YouTube algorithm. So you can see this candlestick here that we just got on this kind of zoomed out monthly view. When we get in here to the daily, which probably want auto, um, if we get to the daily, then we will see right about here. Let's see, where did all the things happen? So we get our bull trap here and back test it, right? So this is right here. When you get into the daily view, oh, come on, here we go. Right here, this is the same thing. This is the same bull trap and deconsolidation, and then boom, we got that same candlestick up to the line right here. So this is what we're looking for now. We got our candlestick up to the line, and now we want to figure out this consolidation zone line on the way down. So that's what we're looking for here, and it looks like maybe a 2 week kind of thing. And let's see, yeah. So we got our candlestick. Come on, we got our candlestick up to the line here. Right here. And now we are trying to find our consolidation line down, which should be something like that. So that's what we're looking for tomorrow, is to get under this kind of a line here, and we want to give this a couple checks, and then we want to get down here and do like a full dead cat bounce into it. And then we can look at trying to break this Volker line and backtest it. So that's the general model, and then I guess we can kind of continue on from there and do a couple of things. So if we grab a trend line, we're trying to get a consolidation zone in here for where we're headed, and this would most likely just kind of terminate there, because it looks like the bull traps have been kind of going past there and then coming down to the bottom of the consolidation zone. So work on the consolidation zone a little bit, but we end up kind of with a consolidation zone like this. And that's what we're trying to find, is we're trying to find the top edge of this dead cat bounce, and then we're trying to kind of figure out the consolidation zone. And we really, really want to see if we break this Volker line and backtest it. Because if we break this long term, it's like a 40-year bull market line. That means that we have crushed like the last bull market line on the everything bubble, and it sets up the long-term bear market. If we bounce off the top of this line, then that looks more like kind of what we saw in the 2018 crash, where after we get to the bottom, we might be looking at a much bigger bounce out of here. If we collapse under this line, then we might be looking at a lower bounce out of here. So this is not trading advice, and that is the model. We're still looking at the same model here. People are getting worried today because we got back out to this tangent line, and that's what we did last time. I didn't notice it because it was just like a little candle, but you can see it when you zoom in and out on the charts. It's the same thing. So happy trading.